Hi everyone, this is Amit from Relanote. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can create an entire notebook using AI. Let's get started. Log into your Relanote and then click on the new AI notebook on your homepage and enter a topic to start research. Today I'm going to use a topic, human anatomy. And here you can select an existing notebook, or if you leave it unselected, it will create a new notebook for you. I'm just going to leave it like that. Click next. And now the AI is going to create a structure for us to review. So as you can see, AI has created this entire structure. Each file here is a subfolder under human anatomy, and then each one will have a note under it. So for example, skeletal system will be under human anatomy, axial skeleton will be under skeletal system, and skull will be under axial skeleton, right? So it's created all these um, different notebooks, folders, and so on, endocrine system, digestive system, urinary system, etc. So you can edit these if you want, or you can add new ones if you wanted to, or you can just leave it as it is. This will also show you how many notes are being created. So it says here, this will generate 63 notes and will cost you 630 AI credits. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to pause this video until the notes have been created. All right. So it takes a few minutes for the notes to be created. As the articles are being created, you'll see these green check marks. So that means that article has been completed. As I said, it's going to take a little bit of time for all of them to complete. So I'm just going to pause until it's complete, and then I'll restart the recording, right? Okay. While it's working, I just wanted to let you know that you can close this at any time and continue working in Relanote. If you cancel this, it'll still generate articles up to that point till when you click cancel. Once it's done, it'll take you to the home note or the main note, which you can see here has all these subnotes. So this home note has a graph here, which will show you, how many notes are there, how they're interconnected, and will link to each of them. In a public note, you will be able to click on it and it'll go to that note. All right. But right now we are inside Relanote. It's not published yet, but we can publish it by hitting the share button here. All right. So let me just walk you through this main note. It has links to these sub notebooks, right? And below this, you'll see it has the kind of main note as well. It talks about all the major organ systems and the structure of the human body and so on. So each of these sub notebooks will have notes of their own. So for example, we can click on pancreas here, and pancreas is its own note. And as you can see here, each reference is also at the end of the note. So if I click on endocrine system, I'll go back to this note. All right. Let's see another one, circulatory system, heart, and so on. Okay. So some of these will have subnotes and subnotebooks as well, and some of them will only have notes, right? So for example, let's go to nervous system and central nervous system, and then central nervous system has spinal cord, which is a node inside it, all right? So this is how you can create an entire AI notebook. You saw how this took 5 to 6 minutes, and it created, a whole network of notes, about 63 notes about the human anatomy. And from here, you can, add to this, or, even you can go back and say, okay, I want to add a certain system that wasn't here. For example, let's say, I'm just making this up right now, digestive system, right? Let's say I wanted to create that. Then I can go here and then select the human anatomy notebook. And then I can create an entire sub notebook inside this existing notebook. All right. So you can keep expanding on your knowledge in a certain area by uh, building, more and more detailed notes using AI. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to how you use this. One last thing before I go, you can also access it here on the left side. Go back to your main note, and then you can click publish and publicly share this entire notebook with its references. So for example, if I say share and copy link, and then I go, let me just sign out, and then I can go here and show you how that looks there. So this entire notebook has been shared, and now it's publicly available. Like I said, you can click on graph to see the links, and you can double click on any particular node that you want to go to. So let's say I wanted to go to this one, I'll double click on this. It says I don't have permissions, so let me go back. Hang on. Relanote. Probably didn't share it right. Let me go and see why it's not sharing. Let's go to notebooks. Oh yeah, I need to share the entire notebook, which is why it wasn't working. Let me just say with references, copy, share and copy link. And now I'm going to log out again. Let's try that again. There you go. So now go to the main note, human anatomy, click on any particular note. There you go. So now this entire note in the notebook is available to anyone who has the link. So I look forward to seeing how you guys use it. Feel free to give us feedback as usual, either post on our forum or send us an email. All right. Thank you, and best of luck.